Hey there, today I will show you how to buy bread on Coinbase Wallet. Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody crypto wallet app that allows users to store, send, receive, and manage their cryptocurrency, giving them direct control over their assets and private keys separate from the Coinbase.com exchange. It's a different app. So how you can buy bread from it? First open the Coinbase Wallet app, then tap on swap here. Then after tap on it, and then from here select on base, and from the drop down menu select network. Then after selecting network, select it to choose asset. Now search for bread here, then select find your wallet here, then tap on it, and then select swap from here. After selecting it, enter the amount and select find the best rate, and then select swap, and that's it. That's how you can buy bread on Coinbase wallet. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.